Hi guys, welcome back to Elle's Adventures. Today I'm going to be showing you my 3D printer. This 3D printer is called the Toybox and it uses this biodegradable plastic to make stuff. Don't fall over. Okay.
They call it printer food.
They call it printer food.
Yeah.
So we have almost all of the colors. And some colors aren't included and you can just buy them on the Toybox app, which is also used to control this little printer. You can make all sorts of different little things. We have Kirby here. It only prints one color at a time, but it still makes really, really cute stuff. We have a tiny little toilet, a car, and some toilet paper, which was used in one of our skits, so go check it out. So you can make a lot of things, including these block buddies. So these take a very long time to make and they are really, really cute. We made me and one of my friends.
Cute.
Hi. They have big feet so they can stand up.
And you can also change their parts. You can.
Yeah. You can pick different hairstyles than these two. You can pick a different face. You can pick the different size of the head, different colors, of course.
And different outfit.
And different outfits. And you can also make boys. It's not just girls.
Yeah, we still need to make a boy for your brother.
Yeah. We promised him that a month ago.
And a zombie.
And a zombie.
That'll be fun.
So this is the app. And you can search up anything and scroll to find some new stuff. So here comes up a dog bone. I guess that's the most popular thing, which takes an hour and 20 minutes.
Whoa.
The time is there. And how many people liked it. A funny dog. A stand-up dog, and a lot of different little things. Oh, I love these little paper clips. They're so cute.
You can also upload your own drawing.
Yes, here in Create, you can make a block buddy. You can build a car. You can draw the shape and stuff, which we actually did for our car. You can draw with your finger.
And then print it, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, and print it. You can load in a picture and it makes it feel 3D.
Yeah.
Or you can...
We haven't used that yet, but hopefully we will soon.
Today we're going to try to print a ring.
Yes, it's one of the quickest ones.
And
And
it
it's
takes,
really
I think, 2 minutes. Heart ring. I forgot to spell today. I forgot how to spell it. Here. Heart ring. 4 minutes and 1,039 hearts. So now it's finished, and here we can take out this flexible magnet here. So here's the ring. You can just bend it to pop it off. Use the extra field. Here it is.
Looks pretty good.
It's really cute. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to look on our Instagram for some photos of these cute toys we've made. And feel free to write a comment on our Instagram what you think we should print next. Bye!